Hello everyone! I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Navid and this is Hyperpix. I'm back with another style from our 80s collection, which is very interesting, and I hope you uh, feel the same thing. Uh, I recommend you go to hyperpix.net and get some very amazing 80s text effects in our website. I'm sure you're gonna love this. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply this style to your text and your logo without spending like tens of hours. And you can apply this to your logo in any language, no limit. You can see the Japanese design here. It's amazing. So let me show you how to edit this one. Right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. And in the new window, double click on the text layer and type your own text. Okay, you can also change the layer spacing here. You can also change the font. Very easy. You can also modify the pattern. And from the layer style and then the pattern overlay, drag on the empty space of your design and move it around. Okay, this is this. Close it and select yes. And let's wait for the result to happen. There it is. You can see how easy it was to change. Okay, I'm going to show you how this layer works one by one. Okay, before anything else, turn off extrusion folder from the effects folder. So it will give us more speed to edit this. And we'll get back to this finally and I'll turn it on. Adjustment folder is the first folder. You can also change the coloring and brightness and the contrast of your design. Select and change the variables so you can get new result. And so you can get your favorite color or your color theme. Okay. Okay, very easy to use. Next one is the vignette. We got inner shadow around our artwork. You can change the opacity so you can get more darkness or less darkness. Okay, we got noise on and noise off. Like most of our products, we got a nostalgic noise on the top of your text. It will give you a retro look. If you like noise, turn it, just leave it be. But if you don't want it, turn off the noise on and enable your noise off folder. Like make sure that one of these has to be on. You can't have both of them. Also, you can't have neither of them. Okay. Next one is a text layer, so you can double click and type your own text. Very easy, right? Okay. We can also change the font. Next folder is this known type here. Just double click on it and no need for anything else. Just type and the result will emerge. Okay, we got the glow. As you can see here, there is a subtle glow behind our design. You can enable it or disable it. It's not very important. We got sparkles like most of our products here. You can see here. You can position them on the edges of your design. Put them on the highlights and the edges of your design so you can get a reflection look. And gives very funny and cute one. You can press Alt and duplicate them by dragging it to position you want. Okay, next folder is the FX, which contains the structures of our design. I recommend you just skip this one. It contains the technical part. Okay, next one, the stars and the smoke behind our design. It's very clear. Next one, we got backgrounds, which contains two colors. Just double click on them and change the color. Okay, let me turn on the extrusion. So let's see the final look. There it is. Beautifully applied. Okay, let me show you how you can apply this to a logo. Okay, just takes a couple of minutes. Right click on the yellow layer and in the new edit content window, import your logo here. I'm gonna open with Photoshop and drag it here. And I'm gonna position it in the middle. I'm gonna bring the logo down. So if you want a style to be applied to both logo and the text, we need to split this in two. If you want to like apply the style to this logo, just one of these two is gonna get the, as you can see here, I will get the effect. But to fix this, like from pattern overlay, I can have like just one of them. So that's a problem, right? What we gotta do is to split this. Select rectangular marquee tools and split this in two. For that, select Ctrl-Shift-J or Command-Shift-J, and your layer is split into two separated layers. And for each of them, go to pattern overlay and drag on the empty space of your design, and you can change the position of your wave. Okay, I'm gonna position in the middle. I'm gonna select yes. I'm gonna close it and select yes, and you can see the result. There it is, beautifully applied. I'm gonna turn off the extrusion so we can have more speed. I'm gonna position it a little higher. I don't need this one, and I'm gonna bring this one lower. I'm gonna disable it. Okay. Before anything else, I'm gonna put the sparkles where they should go. I'm gonna remove all of them but one of them so we can have more speed. I wanna press Alt and drag it wherever I want. It gives me a lot more speed. Okay. I'm gonna turn on extrusion, and there it is, beautifully applied to our logo here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to download this text effect, go to hyperpix.net, get a premium account, and get this and all of our other text styles and actually other our future products, which will contain a lot of surprises. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this. I'm Navid. This is Hyperpix.